Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I came up with a different scenario, so I'll try to explain what it is. So please try to watch all my previous videos so that you'll get more understanding DAX as well as Power BI. Now let's go to the Power BI desktop. There we can understand the today's video demo. So for timing, already I have designed the report, so I'm going to explain each and every step what I've done here. So before getting the details of the report, let me explain what are the tables I have imported from the Excel. So if you see here, category, customer, date, geography, internet sales, product, sales territory, subcategory. So these are the tables I have imported from the Excel, and also we'll try to understand what kind of relationship we have established between the dimension tables and fact tables. So understanding the relationship, it's very important in Power BI. For that, just click on model, so collapse these two, scroll down a little bit. Now you can see that already I have enabled the relationship between these dimension tables and fact tables. For example, if I place the mouse over here, we can see that based on this column product key, I have enabled the relationship between the dimension tables and fact table. So even we can enable the cross filter direction both, but it's up to the requirement. For my requirement, I have enabled for single direction only. So it means that, so based on the filter propagation flowing from one direction to many direction, it means that from the product table to the internet sales, the filter propagation will be there. So like that I have design the relationship for other tables also. We'll try to speak in upcoming session. For timing, we'll try to understand today's report on it. Just click on report. So now you can see that, so this is the table visible. We have two slices, one is a month, another one is a year. So what I'm doing here is, with respect to the year and month, I'm just taking the dates sales each month wise, what is the sales for each day wise, and with respect to, I'm just taking the total month sales and comparing the percentage of contribution. So I'll try to take the snipping and I'll explain. So take the snipping. Okay, so for example, so this is the table visual, this is the month filter, this is the year filter. So in 2002, in July month, so these are the dates. Okay, these are the dates. So each day wise we have the sales amount in 1st July, 2nd July, 3rd July, 4th July. This is the sales each day wise in July month for the 2002 year. So what is the total sales for entire July month? 2780. So this is the entire sales amount for the July month in 2002. So I'm just ignoring all filters coming from in this month. I'm repeating the sales for all the days in July month, and finally I'm taking the what is the percentage of contribution in July 1st day. Okay, July 1st day with respect to the total sales, when comparing to the all sales, what is the percentage of contribution in 2nd July, 3rd July, 4th July, 5th July. Like that I have designed these expressions and all. So I'll try to show report. Now if you look at here, so this is the 100%, which dates are doing well. If you look at here, 25th July doing well because we got 35% of sales compared to all sales in July month. So in 2nd July also, so we can select any month, September also this date is doing well in 2003. If you want, you can check any month, any date. So like that, so based on that we can understand so which day is performing well and good in a specific month, in a specific year. So based on that we can understand business and make a decisions. Like that I have designed the report on that. So now you can see these 4 measures I have created, so that, so I'll try to show what kind of expressions I have written to get this expected output and all. So first one, total sales. Try to zoom it so that you will see clearly. So for getting the total sales, I have used the calculate sum x function. So for all sales, so here what I'm doing, I'm just ignoring all the filters coming from the date. So it's coming ignoring all the filters coming from the date. That is the reason we can see the entire month is getting repeating. And finally I'm just validating what are the total sales, whether it is blank or not. If it is blank, return the blank, otherwise return this what are the expression it will execute here. And percentage, so total sales by using a divided function, total sales by all sales. And symbolic, so for getting the symbolic representation, I'm just calculating. So if the percentage is greater than 10, so upside symbol, otherwise downside symbol. So and also based on the symbolic representation, if it is for example in April, I think, so in April, so if you see it's more than 10%, so it's upside and also color will be changed. But these are downside, so it means that so red color. So like that I have designed this expression and even symbol one validation. So see, by using if because I'm checking if also, because sometimes total sales may be blank, all sales may be blank. So I'm just validating if any one of them, whether total sales or all sales blank, return a blank, otherwise return this expression by using switch statement, so it will execute it. So that's all for today's video. I hope you like this video. So if you have any questions or queries, you can send me an email or drop your comments in the comment section, so that I'll try to reply as soon as possible. So stay tuned for other videos. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.